employers. I'm Rain. I'm looking for a job. Following this video, which will give you a brief overview about myself and which can give you an idea why you should hear me. Firstly, I'm talking about my personal statement. I'm currently studying postgraduate diploma in business enterprise level 8 at Southern Institute Technology. My objective is to work in business industry where I'm outline my skills and benefits of the company and establish excellent long-term customer relationship. Here is my work history. I was working in railway train station in China for 5 years. I was a security checker manager, managed and coordinated a lot of group security checkers. I also handled inquiries from passengers. I have learned IQ program in China. How I serve customer better is what I'm good at. I'm work passionate and I like learning. I hope that through continuous efforts, I can become the blood of the company. I have a warm and friendly personality, and I also have a strong sense of teamwork and self-management. Bring happy and positive attitude to many people is my favorite things. Because I like to smile, that's why I got the wrinkle. Communication is high importance to me through my work. I'm fashionista, proficient in variety of brand nail polish and get nails, 3D nail and nail art design, manicure and pedicure skills. I was working on the nail shop in UK for 2 years. I'm keen on beauty products and familiar with products fashionably. I like to absorb new knowledge and motivate in what I do. Also, I'm doing sales, which I'm very good at it. I was a phone seller on many brand phones in China. I would like to help the customers in making correct buying decisions. I also try to evaluate and resolve the complaints of customers. Okay, all in all, hear me must be a good choice. Following this is my contact detail. I'm looking forward for your reply. Thank you.